It's a 2015 Cadillac SRX. Settle for more. Go for the power, comfort, and sophistication of this SRX. It comes nicely equipped with features you love: automatic transmission, four-wheel anti-lock disc brakes, integrated navigation system with voice activation, power tilt-down heated mirrors, front heated leather bucket seats, collision mitigation braking system, streaming audio, power heated mirrors, dual zone climate control, lane departure warning, and V6 engine. Car and Driver notes the SRX has been doing some very heavy lifting for Cadillac, particularly since the Porky DTS was put out to pasture. Cadillac is driving the world forward. Driving is believing. Test drive it today.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.